multiple people have raised the issue of the mining ban. They've raised it from the point of view of those people who are dependent on mining, and what do we do to ensure that their livelihoods are restored or some alternative measures are provided so that they do not suffer as a result of this move. And there was a lot of people expressed their concern that the current BJP government has not handled the issue well, that they complicated the matter, and it resulted in a situation which has hurt the common man and people, mining-dependent people, very substantially. So this is something that we will look into, and we will see what solutions can be arrived at. Was about the coastal zone regulation. So there was a lot of concern. More than one person expressed concern about what will this do to the natural environment of Goa, and will this lead to the destruction of the natural attractions of Goa, which actually are beneficial to tourism. A third issue that came up was about services, about the jobs. There were suggestions given to make, to try and create this as a logistics hub, to try and provide incentives to ensure that multinational corporations locate here and provide more jobs. Tourism was another major issue that came up, and some people argued that tourism while it's a very good thing, that there were certain negative aspects that we needed to find a way to counter. That process has started. We have, at this moment, a coordination committee which is already looking into this process. No, we did not. It was a policy-focused discussion. There was no political discussion, really.
Yeah. Sir, if you don't have a good candidate, then how can the Congress party get this seat elected?
Congress only chooses good candidates, my friend.
Sure.